Hey everyone, welcome to the ultimate guide on how to keep your dog happy. Whether you're a new dog owner or have had your furry friend for years, these tips and tricks will help ensure your dog lives a joyful and fulfilling life. Dogs bring so much joy to our lives, and it's only fair we pay them back by making sure they're as happy as can be. A happy dog is not just a pleasure to be around, but also a healthier companion. So, let's dive right in. First things first, exercise. Dogs need plenty of physical activity to stay healthy and happy. Regular exercise helps to keep their weight in check, strengthens their muscles, and improves their overall well-being. Whether it's a long walk in the park, a fun game of fetch, or a run in the backyard, make sure your dog gets moving every day. Different breeds have different exercise needs, so tailor the activity to your dog's specific requirements. Remember, a tired dog is a happy dog. When dogs get enough exercise, they are less likely to engage in destructive behaviors and more likely to be calm and content at home. Next up is mental stimulation. Just like us, dogs can get bored too. Boredom can lead to anxiety and unwanted behaviors, so it's important to keep their minds active. Keep their minds active with puzzle toys, training sessions, and interactive games. These activities challenge their brains and keep them engaged. Try teaching them new tricks or commands. It's not only fun, but also builds a stronger bond between you and your furry friend. Plus, it gives them a sense of accomplishment and purpose. Now let's talk about diet. A balanced diet is crucial for your dog's health and happiness. Make sure you're feeding them high-quality dog food that meets their nutritional needs, and don't forget to treat them occasionally. Healthy treats like carrots or apples can be a delightful surprise. Treats can also be used as rewards during training sessions, making learning more enjoyable for your dog. Socialization is another key factor. Dogs are social animals, and they thrive on interaction. Arrange playdates with other dogs or visit a dog park. It's a great way for them to make new friends and learn social skills. Don't underestimate the power of grooming. Regular brushing, baths, and nail trims not only keep your dog looking good, but also feeling good. Grooming sessions are also a wonderful opportunity for some one-on-one bonding time. Lastly, don't forget about regular vet checkups. Keeping up with vaccinations, dental care, and routine health checks ensures your dog stays healthy and happy. Prevention is always better than cure. So, there you have it. Exercise, mental stimulation, a balanced diet, socialization, grooming, and regular vet visits are the keys to a happy dog. Remember, a happy dog means a happy life for both of you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on keeping your furry friends happy and healthy. Until next time, take care and keep those tails wagging. Subtitles, clean subtitles with outline.